Hello guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today's video, another information for affidavit of support in Germany. Kasi marami pa rin nalilito how to process this or how to get this in online. So search nyo lang guys yung affidavit of support in Germany. And then click mo yung Philippines Embassy in Berlin. So may mga nakalagay diyang optional. And dito yung pinaka-website ng Philippines Embassy in Berlin. And then, search mo yung other services, consular services. So makikita mo dyan kung ano yung mga pwede mong i-process sa kanila, sa kanilang website. Then, click mo yung authentication and notarization. Then, in that part, makikita mo na yung affidavit of support and guarantee. So, in this link, makikita mo kung ano yung mga requirements na lang na kailangan on how to process the affidavit of support and guarantee. So, the requirements for affidavit of support is you need to fill out the affidavit of support form, valid passport, or any ID of the sponsor living here or residence here in Germany, valid passport or any ID of the applicant, proof of the relationship of the sponsor, proof of financial capacity of the sponsor like payslip, bank statement, certificate, etc. And then, reflect ng circularongen, declaration of commitment or the formal obligation. And then, the invitation letter. So, this is the affidavit of support form. So, you need to fill out this form. Download mo lang yan. And then, on this part, fill upan mo lang yan. Download mo itong form. Yung applicant at yung details ng sponsor. Especially itong personal details niya and employment details. Then, name and signature of the affiant. So, yun yung sponsor mo, ang mag-sign dyan. Then, after that, panotarize na yan sa nearest notarization nila sa city nila. Or kung may time siya, pwede niya na rin yan ipanotarize doon sa Philippine Embassy, sa nearest embassy sa area nila ng sponsor mo. So, paano naman yung procedure? Once na provide mo yung mga requirements na yan, then ito yung procedure nila. Prior to sending the documents by post or submitting in person, please ensure that the documents have been pre-authenticated by the corresponding German authorities indicated above. So if sending the documents by post, please follow the below steps. So here's the procedure. And then, B, if submitting the documents personally, please book an appointment here and prepare the following information. So you need to click the appointment if submitting personally. So yan yung booking appointment. For passport, renewal, or for other consular service. Click nyo lang guys yung consular service. Then, put nyo yung details nyo sa information na ito. Kung sino yung magpa-process or kung sino yung sponsor nyo. Siya yung magpa-process din yan personally. Then if you choose naman by post lang, dahil busy si partner o yung sponsor mo, pwede naman by post lang. So yan yung processing times niya, guys. Express processing or regular processing. Naka-inform or naka-indicate naman dito sa website nila. And ito rin yung bank details kung saan mo isi-settle online. Yung affidavit of support payment. So on this part, ito yung other services na ino-offer nila dito sa Philippines Embassy in Berlin. And here's the prices as well. Kung magkano yung mga ipapa-process mo sa kanila na service. So ito yung bank details ng Philippines Embassy for the affidavit of support. Make sure guys, complete nyo na yung requirements bago kayo magpa-appointment dito or i-process by post. Okay? So, yan lang ang pag-process ng affidavit of support dito sa Germany. So, hopefully guys, nakatulong itong information namin sa inyo on the latest requirements and how to process the affidavit of support, lalo na sa mga baguhan na applicant na planong pumunta sa Germany and how to secure the affidavit of support. And guys, hopefully, ay nagka-idea kayo on this. So kindly subscribe on our YouTube channel so you're always notified on our next vlog that we will share here. And especially sa mga immigration stories and visa and Filipina living here in Germany. So choose guys and God bless on your application.